Alam mo, yung kasabihang swerte lang yan. Pero kapag tiningnan mo ng malapitan, mapapansin mo, karamihan sa mga swerte lang yan ay pinaghandaan pala. May kakilala ka bang bigla nagka-franchise kasi merong extra cash o yung tropa mong nakabili ng lupa kasi may ipon sa tamang oras? Hindi sila basta swerte lang. Prepared lang talaga sila. That's what an opportunity fund is all about. Tahimik lang, hindi flashy, pero ito yung dahilan kung bakit may mga tao nakakagalaw agad kapag may dumating na golden chance. Ang ibang tao, puro sana all, pero yung may opportunity fund, tahimik lang kasi alam niyang anytime pwede siyang kumilos. I'm Chan, and welcome to Pinoy Stealth Wealth, the channel na hindi nagpe-flex para lang maka-impress. Dito, we focus on real wealth, smart money habits, at financial freedom. Pinag-uusapan din natin ang modest living, practical wisdom at kung bakit sa panahon ngayon, mas sastig yung taong simple pero panalo sa buhay. Kung suwa ka na sa paycheck to paycheck cycle, tara, let's break it down. Part 1. Ano ang opportunity fund? Ang opportunity fund ay pera na nakatabi hindi para sa emergencies, kundi para sa golden chances na pwede makabago ng buhay mo. Kung ang emergency fund ay pangprotekta sa'yo kapag may masamang nangyari, ang opportunity fund naman ay pangangat sa'yo kapag may magandang dumating. Simple definition. It's money reserved for saying yes when life gives you something great. Halimbawa, may kamag-anak na nagbebenta ng lupa ng murang-mura, cash basis. May promo sa business tools o equipment na matagal mo nang gusto. May seminar o course na limited slots lang pero alam mong life-changing. O minsan may job opportunity abroad pero kailangan ng placement fee ASAP. Kung wala kang opportunity fund, tamang tingin ka lang. Pero kung meron ka, ikaw yung unang gagalaw. Ang totoong swerte, hindi yung taong napili ng oportunidad, kundi yung taong handang sumalo nito. Kasi sa totoo lang, lahat tayo binibigyan ng chance ng buhay pero iilan lang ang handang kumilos. Part 2. Bakit ito powerful na wealth tool? Number 1. It converts chance into growth. Karamihan sa tao, opportunity blind kasi laging ubos ang pera. Kahit may dumating na magandang deal, sablay pa rin kasi walang pang yes. Pero kung may nakaabang kang pondo, kaya mo mag-decide with confidence instead of regret. Habang ang iba nag-aalala sa budget, ikaw nakapag-desisyon agad. In short, opportunity fund equals financial confidence. Number 2. It builds a prepared mindset. Hindi ka na sana all. Kasi alam mong ipondo ka para sa next move mo. At kapag lagi kang handa, iba yung dating. Parang laging may calm energy. Tandaan, prepared people attract luck. Kasi sila yung ready kumilos habang ang iba nag-iisip pa. Number 3. It creates financial waiting room. Wala nang panic, wala nang utang. Hindi mo kailangan manghiram o magmakaawa. You can act fast, smart, and in peace. Short story, si Carla, isang accountant. May naipon ng 100,000 pesos sa opportunity fund niya over 2 years. Last year, may promo sa funeral lot, 50,000 lang binili niya. After 8 months, tumaas yung value. Nabenta niya ng 80,000 pesos. Hindi siya lucky, prepared lang siya. Yun ang silent power ng opportunity fund. Di mo kailangan i-announce kasi results will speak for you. Part 3. How to build your opportunity fund, practical version. Step 1. Start small, think big. Hindi mo kailangan milyon agad. Mag-umpisa sa 500 pesos to 1,000 pesos kada buwan. Treat it as your investment capital in waiting. Kasi yung 500 na sineryoso, pwedeng maging 50,000 na ready for the right time. Ang sikreto, consistency. Kahit maliit, basta tuloy-tuloy, lalaki rin yan. Step 2, automate it. Pagdating na sweldo, automatic transfer. Kasi kung hihintayin mo pa yung extra money, wala kang may tatabi dahil walang sobra kung walang sistema. Automation removes emotion. Wala nang isipin ko muna kasi automatic na siyang nangyayari. Step 3. Keep it separate. Huwag ihalo sa emergency fund o sinking fund. Lagyan ng sariling label sa bank app o envelope. Opportunity fund, do not touch. Psychologically, ibang mindset kapag nakahiwalay. Kung nakikita mong lumalaki yung account na yan, mapangiti ka kasi alam mong yan ang future moves mo. Step 4. Park it wisely. Gamitin ng low-risk liquid options, high-yield digital banks, GoTime, Tonic, Maya, Maribank, o short-term time deposit. Choose liquidity over return kasi ang goal ng opportunity fund ay readiness, hindi maximum profit. Ang tanong dito ay ma-access ko ba agad kung may opportunity bukas? Step 5. Replenish after use. Kapag nagamit mo na, build it again. Treat it like a muscle. The more you refill it, the stronger your financial discipline becomes. Opportunity will always come back. Ang tanong lang, handa ka na ba ulit kapag bumalik? Uy, saglit lang! Kung gustong matutunan tong lifestyle na to, subscribe now sa Pinoy Stealth Wealth, Real Talk, Real Goals, Real Freedom. Okay, balik tayo. Part 4, Practical Use of an Opportunity Fund. So, saan mo magagamit yan? Number 1, Business and Side Hustles. May supplier na nagbebenta ng discounted items, may online trend na pwedeng pagkakitaan, boom! Fund mo agad ang first move. Opportunity doesn't wait for payday. Number 2, investment discounts. Market crash, cheap na stocks or funds, while others panic, you buy calmly kasi handa ka. Sabi nga nila, fortunes are made when others are fearful. Number 3, skill upgrade or certifications. Seminar, course, or license renewal na magdadagdag ng value sa'yo. Tandaan, the best investment is still in yourself. Hindi ka lang naghihintay ng promotion, pinagsikapan mo rin. Number 4, strategic purchases. Tools, gadgets, or laptops that increase productivity. Hindi ito luho, it's leverage. The right tool bought at the right time can multiply your results. Number 5, rare opportunities. Sale ng airline tickets o property na quick sale na kamag-anak habang ang iba nagsasabing sayang, ikaw tahimik lang, sige let's go. Part 5, Advanced Strategy, the Dual Fund System. Pwede mong i-combine yung dalawang strategy. Emergency fund equals 3 to 6 months of expenses pang protekta. Opportunity fund equals 1 to 3 months of income pang angat. Kapag fully built na ang emergency fund mo, lahat na next savings ilipat mo sa opportunity fund. Kanyan kumilos ang financially mature na Pinoy. Tahimik lang pero ready sa kahit anong sitwasyon. Di kailangan magmayabang kasi alam niyang kung may dumating na opportunity, siya yung unang kikilos para i-grab ito. Part 6, the psychology behind it. Number 1, you shift from fear to readiness. From baka mawalan ako to baka may dumating. You stop living in defense mode and start living in opportunity mode. Number 2, it builds quiet confidence. Kahit anong dumating, alam mong kaya mong sabayan ng aksyon, hindi ka ba? Yung feeling na ready ako, priceless yan. Number 3, it changes your self-image. Hindi ka na tagamasid. Isa ka ng player sa sarili mong buhay. Hindi mo na kailangang hintayin ang perfect timing kasi handa ka na kahit kailan. Part 7, why this is stealth wealth in action. This is stealth wealth at work. Walang bagong iPhone, walang bagong kotse. Pero may kakayanan kang gumawa ng moves quietly. Habang ang iba nagpo-post ng manifesting abundance, ikaw tahimik lang. Pero ready to seize abundance when it appears. That is stealth wealth at its finest. Preparation disguised as peace. Final thoughts, when preparation meets opportunity. Sabi nga ni Seneca, luck is what happens when preparation meets opportunity. Kung sawa ka ng puro sayang naman, start your opportunity fund today. Kahit 500 pesos lang. Hindi ito para yumaman ka agad, ito ay para maging handa ka palagi. Tahimik ka lang, pero pag dumating yung once in a lifetime moment, ikaw ang unang gagalaw. That's Pinoy Stealth Wealth. Quiet, strategic, ready for anything. Kaya kung gusto mo pang matuto kung paano maging wais, simple pero panalo sa buhay, subscribe na sa Pinoy Stealth Wealth. Tandaan, hindi man tayo flashy, pero future natin, steady at happy. Subscribe now and see you in the next video.